Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to use Calm app for sleep without paying for premium, so let's get started. First, download the Calm app from the App Store and open it. After that, choose what brings you to Calm. Then select your goals, like better sleep, reducing anxiety, reducing stress, or building self-esteem. After selecting your goals, tap Continue. Over here, create an account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, tap Log In at the bottom of the screen. Then choose Continue with Google or Continue with Apple. After that, complete the sign-in process to access the app. Over here, you will see the premium subscription with a 7-day free trial. Then, skip the subscription if you only want to use the free features. After that, go to the Sleep section and play the free Blue Gold Sleep Story. Then, use the free background scenes to play relaxing nature sounds while you sleep. Over here, access the free breathing exercise to help you relax before bedtime. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.